Wait. Negative 14. Negative 14. Pasok sa loob. Aray ko. Oh. Tintik na yan. Napakalamig. Canada pa more. Ang lamig. Ang lamig mo, Canada. Ibang ating pwedeng pag-usapan niya yan. So, by the way, naka 2 years na ako dito sa Canada. Sobrang bilis. So, update ko lang kayo mga adventure. So, nag-celebrate tayo ng 2 years dito sa Canada last November 26. So, may nagtanong sa akin, actually, naiyala ako sumagot kung ano na daw nangyari dito sa Canada. Kaibigan kong from Saudi Arabia, ibang lahi. So ito, basahin ko kanyang comment. Ang chat pala sa akin: "Yeah, my friend Ron, keep hal. How are you there? How was Canada? Is the job okay? Salary okay? I hope all your family is well." Kung papalaban naman tayo sa Inglesan nito ko. Pinahirapan mo na naman ako. Oh, hindi ko nabanggitin ang pangalan niya kasi kilala. Sisend ko na lang tong video sa kanya. Yeah, Habibi. Yeah, Sadiq. Keep halik. I hope everything is okay. Perfect. Mashi. Mia Filmia and Takulu family quiz. Hina Canada. Mabisiyada, gratip nahirapan mag-Arabic Gratip quiz. Malumes dollar. Canada is more high than Saudi money. So 40 the conversion to the Philippines to 40 means arbatash 40. Yeah, in a ways I can't complain. Everything's good. The problem only here is the weather. Just like now is 14 degrees, very cold. Katera barid. But here, Saudi, same problem. Same muskila. Malum the problem is katira harara hina. Yeah, come here in Canada. See you here. I hope if God's will, you can come here in our place here in Ontario. I can visit you, and I really miss you, my friend. Yeah, I remember those old days that been together there in Saudi Arabia, and it's a great experience. And yeah, I can complain here because I can see a little bit that my life changed over here in Canada, and I really appreciate the things over here. The nature, the people are okay too. What else? There's so many things I can't explain, but the overall, all over here in Canada was okay for me. It's safe. People are great. I can't complain. There are people that sometimes they don't like you, but everywhere in this world, even in my country, some people don't like me, but I really don't care as long as I don't do anything bad to them. At the end of the day, I am the one gonna put food on our table, so just enjoy the life. So I really miss you, my friend. I hope one day I can visit Saudi Arabia again, if God's will. But if I want to choose, no, I don't wanna go back there. Maybe someday just to visit for vacation, but not to work over there again, because it's a worst experience that I have there. But anyway, it's not about the work, but it's our friendship. Thank you, my friend.